You can comfortably stand and ride over long distances and at speed. All this with minimal physical effort, yet maximum enjoyment and fun. Simply step onto the platform, push the throttle down, and you're away. At speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, and with literally no effort at all. It's great for lifestyle, fun, and sustainable urban commuting. With the addition of optional rear tyre sleeves, you can enjoy the sensation of drifting, spinning, wheel stands and trick riding. The trike features a range of high-quality bike components, including a lithium battery, which can enable you to ride up to 30 miles at a time. Forget about public transport or driving your car to work. Save your money and leave the traffic behind and arrive both stress and sweat-free. Our first delivery of trikes has arrived in Australia and we're truly excited. Now we need your support to take the DC Tri to the world. With your backing, we can commit to immediate large-scale production. Your support will enable us to complete our next passion, the development of a wheelchair-accessible trike, which will allow increased freedom and accessibility for wheelchair users. So, check out the DC Tri.
Belfast electric bike is the most advanced electric bike you've ever seen. Typical electric bike cannot run long distance. Just imagine one that can travel the same distance as the most powerful electric car. We have created it. Our bike can run 380 kilometers on a single charge.
In 2014, we created Delfast. It's a courier service that delivers physical online purchases in an hour. The core of our businesses is electronic bicycles. Every day, our couriers travel hundreds of miles. So we at Delfast started producing bikes ourselves. We ride them ourselves in all kinds of conditions, in winter and in summer. The current Delfast electronic bicycle model is our most advanced, and we quickly realised that it's time to make it available to people all around the world.
Belfast is a hybrid between a cross-country motorcycle and a mountain bike. It is not afraid of water, sand and rough terrain. On Belfast bike, you can ride around the city, off-road, and most importantly, long distances.
Motocross.
Cycling to everyone, regardless of their gender, age and physical training. Today, prime model with 236 miles range on a single charge. Top model with the highest top speed and powerful engine. And the light version with lighter frame and lower price. Help us make the world better and the distances shorter. Please support us on Kickstarter.
A1 from Anobike. When you are driven by design and performance, when your curiosity takes you to uncharted paths, when your urge to stand out from the crowd leads you to new heights, when you don't settle for less than perfection, when you want to change the world by your actions. Let us change our world one ride at a time. Be the one to make it happen. A1 from Anobike. Let us take the road less traveled. With A1, we are offering you a bike designed in Denmark that is made to last. We've gone out of our way to find the perfect components to match our vision of a cutting-edge design. Your safety is of highest priority for us. That is why we've used air suspension, disc brakes, puncture-resistant tires, and many other high-quality components. We'd like to let you know that we've got your back. That is why we offer 2 years warranty for all vital components. A1 from Anobike. Let us take the lead together in urban mobility. We'd like to give you the freedom to ride into the wilderness, into the heart of your city, or where you want to go. A1 from Anobike. Join us and let us make it happen.
Velobike, lighter, smarter and more compact than any other electric folding bike on the market. Unique technology, unique you. In the past 15 years, electric bikes and electric folding bikes on the market haven't changed much.
We have looked at what's out there and took the latest technology for electric bikes to develop something new. The lightest, smartest and most compact electric folding bike. It is lightweight, has a sleek design and folds extremely small. Introducing Velobike Plus.
I'm Valentin Vodev.
And I'm Valerie Wolf, the founders of Velobike.
The Velobike takes advantage of the next generation of regenerating electric bike technology that has the ability to charge the battery while pedaling, so you can ride forever without having to recharge it. Connected to your phone via Bluetooth
to select different power modes,
track your road or lock your bike motor with the app and make it difficult for thieves to steal it.
Furthermore, Velobikes are high-performance folding bikes that feel and ride like a full-size bike, is shock absorbent and provides for a safe ride.
Use it for multimodal commuting. Fold and roll in a second thanks to its patent self-locking magnet system and then wheel it around everywhere. At the same time, it can be folded extremely small. Take it with you everywhere and place it under your work desk easily.
It was designed to fit all body sizes due to the fully adjustable height of the handlebar stem and extra long seat post.
Velobikes have been designed for the urbonauts. Feel the freedom and culture of urban lifestyle.
In 2015, the Velobike was awarded the prestigious Red Dot Best of the Best.
With your support, we can bring it to life.
Check out our